Hey boys and girls, today we're reading about another insect. We're going to read about bumblebees. Think to yourself, boys and girls, is this book going to be fiction or non-fiction? You're right, it's going to be non-fiction. We're reading it to learn something. All right, this book is by Fran Howard. She is the author of this book. So a lot of nonfiction books have what we call a table of contents. And in our table of contents, it tells us what we're going to learn about, and then the page we can find that. So if we're doing a research project or looking for something specific, we know exactly what page to turn to. Let's read about some bumblebees. What are bumblebees? Bumblebees are insects with round, hairy bodies. Bumblebees buzz. Did you guys know bees are hairy? How bumblebees look. Most bumblebees are black, yellow, or orange. They have thin wings. Bumblebees are about the size of a jelly bean. So think in your brain about the size of a jelly bean. Bumblebees have two antennae. Bumblebees use their antennae to smell, feel, and hear. Remember, antennae are the things that come off of an insect's head. Bumblebees have 5 eyes. Ooh, can you see the 5 eyes in that picture? That's pretty interesting. 2 eyes are big, 3 eyes are small. What bumblebees do? Bumblebees live in nests in the ground. A queen bumblebee makes a new nest each year. Bumblebees drink nectar from flowers. Nectar gives bumblebees energy to fly. Bees are so important because they help pollinate our flowers and crops, so we have to have bees to have plants. Bumblebees fly back to the nest. They bring nectar back for young bumblebees to eat. Bumblebees collect pollen from flowers. Bumblebees help new flowers and crops grow. The end. All right, boys and girls, we read about bumblebees. I'm going to post a video about bumblebees for you to watch, and then I want you to complete your bee page in your insect book. So the first part up here, it says, write an interesting fact about bees. What were some interesting things that we read about bees? I'm thinking about this one. How many eyes did bees have? You're right, they had 5 eyes. Oh my goodness. So make sure you put that in a sentence. Say, bees have 5 eyes. Not just 5 eyes. That's not a sentence. Ooh, the other thing I think is interesting about bees is they have a hairy body. So I could also say, bees have a hairy body. Then you're going to draw the queen bee on this flower. Then you're going to draw some bees around the beehive. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed reading about bees. Enjoy your bee video, and I can't wait to see your bee page. Have a great day.